Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about diet and natural supplements to increase iron count in the body. For the overall health of our body, iron is considered very essential. It is a very vital component of red blood cells. It helps in the formation of protein hemoglobin, which carries the oxygen all around our body. It also helps in promoting our immune system and thus fights against the infections. People should look for best diet to increase iron count in body. People with low level of iron in their body are supposed to catch colds and other illnesses rapidly. There are two forms of iron called heme and non-heme iron. Difference between both the types of irons is that heme iron is the preferred source for human nutrition. Heme iron comes from animal products and it is linked with hemoglobin, whereas the other iron, i.e. non-heme iron, comes from non-animal sources. Heme iron is considered to be absorbed more efficiently by our body than non-heme iron. Fatigue, pale skin, headaches, difficulty in concentrating, brittle nails, etc. are some of the most common symptoms related to iron deficiency. Iron deficiency is commonly known as anemia. Natural supplements to increase iron count in the body can work effectively in dealing with the issue. You can increase the iron count and increase hemoglobin levels in the body by including some foods in your diet. Food rich in vitamin C are great sources of iron. Vitamin C helps in enhancing iron absorption in our body. Citrus fruits, dark green leafy vegetables, melons, bell peppers, strawberries, etc. are good sources of vitamin C, as it captures non-heme iron and thus stores it in a form that can be absorbed by our body more easily. So, you should definitely include certain foods that are rich in vitamin C in order to increase the iron count in the body. Adding meat, fish and poultry in your diet helps in enhancing the iron count in the blood. These foods not only provide the well-absorbed heme iron but also help in stimulating absorption of non-heme iron. Beef, chicken liver, canned sardines in oil, seafood including clams, mussels, etc. are some other iron-rich foods that should be definitely included in the diet in order to prevent iron deficiency. But if you are a vegetarian, then you can include foods like beans, pumpkin, nuts, kale, dried apricots, bread, potatoes, broccoli, split peas, brown rice, etc. in your diet. Ferroplex capsules. These capsules help in curing anemia in a short time and thus remove the deficiency of iron. It also deals with certain bone disorders like osteoporosis and lowers the risk of osteoarthritis. The capsules help in enhancing muscle mass and provide muscular energy. It improves the functioning of our immune system and also helps in improving bone density and flexibility. It is safe for both men and women and can be consumed by children also. You can find more details about Ferroplex capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.